Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make restaurant style chicken lollipops at home. It's one of my favorite appetizers that I can never get enough of, and one dish that is really quick and simple to make at home. And no, I'm not exaggerating at all. As you'll see for yourself in this video, you can make crispy and delicious lollipops under 30 minutes of active cooking time, without compromising on the restaurant-like taste and texture. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing you need to make chicken lollipops is of course chicken shaped in lollipop pieces. Some of you might find this at the store, but some might not. But you'll always find chicken wings which you can convert to lollipop pieces quite easily. I have made a separate video sharing exactly how to make chicken lollipops from chicken wings, and you can check that out to know how to convert wings to lollipop pieces. For the purposes of this recipe, I'll start with the lollipop pieces directly, and I have used 15 lollipops for it. I have also separated the ingredients for the first and second marinade on my left and right side respectively. For the first marinade for 15 lollipops, you'll need 2 tablespoons of chili paste, which you can substitute with chili garlic paste or half and half, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of chili vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the second marinade, you'll need a mix of 3 flours for coating, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of pepper powder, along with about 3 tablespoons of water to be adjusted as needed. The first step is to mix all the ingredients for the first marinade along with the chicken and let the chicken marinate in the spice mix for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then mix in all the ingredients for the second marinade. I have done this in a separate bowl to show you the consistency of the second marinade, how dry it is. You can add these ingredients directly in the bowl which has the marinated chicken and mix everything together. The moisture from the earlier marinade will help, and you can then gauge exactly how much water you need before adding more. But for this quantity of chicken, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water is more than enough, because you need a thick marinade and not a runny batter. Also, this is exactly why you'll need to ensure that the marinade is applied somewhat evenly over the lollipop pieces right before frying them to get that restaurant-like texture. The next step is frying these lollipops, and for that heat up some oil and put in these lollipop pieces a few at a time so as to not overcrowd them, and then fry for 5 to 7 minutes per batch till they are cooked completely and turn crispy on the outside. And there you have it, delicious crispy restaurant style chicken lollipops. Sprinkle on some chaat masala, serve it with green chutney or Szechuan sauce, and enjoy! Oh, and one bonus tip for today. If you feel lazy to convert these chicken wings to lollipops, then you can just use wings instead of lollipops and follow the same exact recipe for lollipop wings. Serve it with Szechuan chutney and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you in my next one, happy cooking!